Hello guys, this is Arvin Said blog. So guys, today I show you how to use Google free keyboard planning. Okay, so this is very easy and simple. So you need to open your Chrome browser, then you search the Google planning keyboard planning tools. Okay, Google keyboard planning tools, you need to search there. So you very easy for you go Google, then search this one, search Google keyboard planning tools. Okay, then you go there, check have go down. Okay, go down and click the Google sign. Okay, when you click Google signing, okay, you have account or not, you'll asking. Okay, so I have already account, so I will click this account and directly go Google planning keyboard. Okay, so it's very easy and simple. I already open. I want to check which country you check your Google keyboard, which country. My country from Bangladesh. You can check United States or anything, or all here. There have location. You can change your location. So I want to check for United States for keyboard planning. Okay, so I cutting for their country Bangladesh and there save. Okay, so I want to search which one. I search the which keyboard you use. You need to search this keyboard. Okay, so I want to check for workout. Okay, so I want to check for workouts keyboard how much the CPM or RPM there. So workouts, see workout coming. So I want to search and I check this video keyboard planning. So see there have keyboard. So I want to check which keyboard is very good and high quality, right? Okay, so check workout this keyboard high and top rate $1.15 and normal is $1.15 and high one is 3.80 something $80. Okay, so there have more than keyboard have there. You can use any keyboard for your video, very easy and simple. Okay, right? So you want to something coffee and post, you can also find easy any keyboard. You can search which keyboard is very high searching and which keyboard is very high CP, everything you can find there. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching.